A little stress can be a good thing. It can be the motivational push that we need to get things done. However, sometimes dealing with stress, especially during exam season, can be a difficult thing to do. And with an estimated 20 to 50% annual increase of university students seeking help for studies-related mental health issues, it's clear that we're under more pressure than ever before. So, here to your rescue are 5 tips to help you through the stressful exam period. 1. Remember to breathe. Setting aside a couple of minutes every day to practice mindfulness techniques, such as breathing exercises or UCL's 10-minute mind, helps you to calm down your body's stress response and shift your attention back to the present moment. In turn, this gives you time to rationally think through the anxieties you have, rid yourself of unhelpful thought patterns, and enables you to deal with a large number of exams and begin more effective revision. 2. Eat, sleep, and exercise well. Pulling all-nighters, surviving on a poor diet, and getting minimal amounts of movement into your day can increase symptoms of anxiety. For your body's best performance, make sure you're getting 8-9 hours of sleep, enough slow-release carbs, less caffeine and more water, and at least half an hour of exercise per day. 3. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals, whether you have several weeks, days, or hours before your exam, helps you to put everything into perspective. Acceptance of your situation and working within the realms of what you have maximizes your productivity without the risk of burning yourself out. 4. Don't go it alone. In 2004, a research paper published in Linguistics and Education saw that revising with peers is an effective study technique, as it allows individuals to better absorb their own notes. Furthermore, the emotional benefits of social support tend to include a better sense of confidence and autonomy. 5. Pace yourself through panic. Panicking before, during, or even after an exam is common among university students. If you experience it at any point, take 6 deep breaths, hydrate yourself, and then go back the problem at hand, being sure to break it down into several manageable chunks. Remember that there is usually a rational solution to every problem, even if you can't see it at first glance. And there you have it, 5 essential tips to guide you through the often turbulent waters of exam season. Remember, while a little stress can indeed serve as a catalyst for action, it's crucial to manage it effectively to ensure it doesn't overwhelm you. By incorporating mindful breathing, maintaining a balanced diet, sleep, and exercise routine, setting realistic goals, leaning on the support of your peers, and pacing yourself through moments of panic, you're not just surviving your exams, you're setting yourself up for success. As we close this chapter, I want to remind you that facing exams is a part of your journey, not the entirety of it. Each challenge is an opportunity to grow, to learn more about yourself, and to develop strategies that will aid you, not just academically, but in life beyond the university walls. The pressure you feel today is preparing you for the successes of tomorrow. So, take a deep breath, give yourself a moment of grace, and step forward with confidence. And that wraps up our journey today. I hope you found this video insightful and engaging. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out on future videos. Your thoughts and feedback mean the world to us, so please leave a comment below, sharing your takeaways or any questions you might have. We're always looking to connect and learn with our community. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.